Do you need a header on one part of your document but not on another? The trick is using section breaks. Once you understand this, Word becomes much easier to control. Place your cursor at the start of the page where you want the new header or footer to begin. Go to Layout, Breaks, then choose Next Page under Section Breaks. Now double-click the header. You'll notice it says Same as Previous. Click Link to Previous to turn it off. Now anything you type only affects this section. Repeat exactly the same step in the footer. Headers and footers are linked separately, so turning one off doesn't automatically unlink the other. If you only want the header for a few pages, insert another section break where you want it to stop. Open the header again. Turn off Link to Previous, then simply delete the header and footer in the new section. That's all there is to it. Whether you want different headers, footers, or page numbering in different parts of a document, section breaks are the key. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more top tech tips. Bye bye.